Argan oil is perhaps one of the best oils to use on your face and the rest of the skin. It is extracted from the kernels of argan, a fruit from Morocco. Because of its various benefits to skin, hair and nails, it is widely used in the cosmetic industry. It is also available in pure oil form, which can be directly used on the skin or ingested. Let's take a closer look at the top 3 benefits of argan oil for your face and skin. Then we will explain how to use it for maximum benefits. So watch the video till the end. Good moisturizer. Argan oil is a good moisturizer widely used in skin, hair care and soaps. Thanks to its high vitamin E contents. Applying topically on your face will help in retaining moisture on the skin for longer terms. 2. Sun protection. Argan oil helps protect your skin from potential sun damage due to its antioxidant capabilities. Exposure to the ultraviolet rays of the sun can cause oxidative damages to the skin. A 2013 study found that argan oil helped protect the skin against free radical damage caused by the sun to stop burns and hyperpigmentation. 3. Anti-aging. Argan oil has been in use for removing wrinkles for ages anecdotally. In a recent study done on postmenopausal women, researchers found that a combination of oral and cosmetic argan oil significantly increased elasticity of the skin. This helps in delaying wrinkles, and your facial skin looks much younger than your age. In addition to these benefits on the face, argan oil also reduces stretch marks, helps in fast wound healing, and promotes healing of acne, rosacea, atopic dermatitis, psoriasis and eczema. Now let's understand how to use argan oil on the face. Argan oil is light and gets absorbed quickly in the skin. Wash your face and pet it with a towel, but keep the face slightly moist for best moisturizing effect. Apply argan oil. You can also consume argan oil capsules to improve your skin. Links for online availability and prices are given in the description below for your ready reference. Bottom line is, argan oil is good for your face and skin. If you don't find any improvement in your skin condition after use of argan oil for a few weeks, then consult a dermatologist. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.